Hello, this is the Purdue Vanderbilt team, and we present our proposal on counterfeit risk mitigation strategies in the electrical construction supply chain. Our previous research was funded by the Construction Industry Institute, and the outcome has been published in the peer-reviewed journal and the Engineering News Record. It has been also featured on the cover page of the ENR. Based on this research, we developed a comprehensive CFSI risk governance framework, and based on this framework, we developed a tool which collected data at different levels of detail. It also included the risk assessment for each CFSI risk incidents, but the major core of this research was developing a catalog for the different risk mitigation strategies. We proposed 19 risk mitigation strategies, and the catalog also included fact sheet for each of these strategies, which included objective and scope, perceived impact, challenges, features, and their implementation. Now, the major motivation for this research is that electrical construction industry is also highly prone to infiltration of such CFSI risks. It has influence on the cost and schedule due to the rework, and moreover, different case studies indicated that it has a significant impact on the safety and quality consequences of the project. Our research indicated a lack of awareness in the construction industry, and as you can see, more than 50% of the CFSI cases were found after the implementation and completion of the projects, and it's obvious it has a huge impact on the overall cost and schedule of the project. So as an outcome of this research, we propose to develop a guideline for implementation of the CFSI risk mitigation strategies. The guideline will include identification of the risk mitigation strategies, explore their implementation, and also in addition to the 19 risk mitigation strategies that we proposed before, and also assess their effectiveness. In the methodology, we propose to use a survey and complementary interviews with the electrical contractors. The project duration is estimated to be 6 months, and I'm Sayanta Mukhopadhyay, who will be working as a graduate student on this project. In addition, we have Professor Hasdab from Purdue University, Professor Gopal from Vanderbilt University, and Dr. Nader Paju from Purdue University. Thank you.